All right, guys, we got a Lucky's Loot Platinum Hockey Box Buyback Break number 14000. Verbeek is Devils. Verbeek is Devils. All right, guys. Yeah, any questions on players or anything? JJ's in there and he knows, and some of us know as well. All right, guys. So this is Platinum Buyback Break 14000. Team owners got Anaheim going to Jen, Arizona Pens, Boston Ellie, Buffalo Mr. Happy, Calgary Duckfoot, Carolina JJ, Chicago Duck, Avalanche Oz, Columbus Mr. Happy, Dallas going to Eric J, Red Wings Benini, Oil Goldie, Florida Mr. Happy, Kings J-Tac, Mini Duckfoot, MTL Lemoyne, Nash Mr. Happy, Devs J-Dog, Isles Mr. Happy, Rain J-Tac, Ottawa JB, Fly JJ, Pitt going to Dubs, Sharks going to Duck, Blues going to Duck, TB Oz, Toronto Mary, Canucks Mr. Happy, Vegas going to Dave, Capitals Josh K, Winnipeg JB. There we go. All right, so these ones need to be numbered. This one's still numbered 2, so we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4. That was from last week, so 5 and 6 will be a reroll. Box 2. I feel like we got some huge coming this weekend. I really do. So box numbers on the back because there's no cases. 23 of 50, 36 of 50, 4 of 50, and the break box number 2 is 38 of 50. Whoa, this is heavy, bro. Wow. That could just be placebo. Not that it matters, because a 101 Gretzky could be light. And just abnormally heavy is all. 38 of 50. Here we go. Don't forget, teams that have sell sheet hits, that doesn't mean that's all they got whatsoever. Especially since they're a high-end team. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Oh, sick! Black lustrous rookie patch auto to 125 for the Isles, Mr. Happy and Son. Not bad for $8. Is this on the sales sheet? I don't think this is on the sales sheet. And Lucky's, the creator, told me there'll be cards in there that you think are on the sales sheet and they're not on the sales sheet. Mario Lemieux signature patch auto to 25 Cup from 2006, 2007. Wow. So NYI went to Mr. Happy and the Pit went to Dubs. It's just a base. And we got 13 of 24 Ultimate Collection. Mikey Madonna patch auto or stick auto to 24 for the Dow. All right, guys. So that was Noah Dobson. Disgusting patch auto to 125. Mario Lemieux patch auto to 25. And we had the Madonna to 24. All right, guys, that's it. Not too shabby. Dallas was going to Jay. There you go, brother. All right, guys, that is it. Probably put up another Lucky's. Probably end up putting up another one. Stuff's pretty good. I love it, actually. I love it. All right, thank you, everybody. Appreciate it, guys. 3 boxes left for the weekend.